Hey guys, welcome to another episode of AndyMakes. This video was inspired by Tom Buck over at the Enthusiasm project, and I especially loved the deburring tool. In this video, I want to add 3 of my own tools that I keep going back to when I turn my 3D printer on. An absolute staple in my kit is my 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil, and this is useful. I don't use it every time, but because of the way I use my printer and the varying uptimes, the oil becomes really essential. And so it's not only for ongoing maintenance, but if your printer or CNC machine sits in the corner quite a lot or it collects dust quite often, I found that the rails get quite sticky. And so by using the oil, which is also used on sewing machines, I found it to be the best sort of way to lubricate the bearings without getting rid of the stuff that helps it keep working. You might have found that using CRC spray or WD-40 if you're in the States, it kind of wears the bearings out, whereas the oil sort of helps keep it lubricated. My go-to tool for my 3D printer survival kit, ball and Allen keys, and I find these super useful, especially because my printers are self-built, and because I travel and move them a lot, things often get out of tweak, and so I really love these. The other reason they're really useful is quite often with 3D printers there might be a bolt or screw that you need to adjust that's underneath something, or a linear rod is in the way, and by having a ball end Allen key you can actually adjust the nut or bolt at an angle, and I find that super useful, especially as I'm quite often adjusting things as the printer's moving and working, and it gives me just that extra bit of room and wiggle space to tweak it just how I need it at the angle that I need at the time. My third go-to is blue painter's tape. Glue sticks are phenomenal for heated beds, but my Ultimaker original doesn't have a heated bed, and so my go-to is in fact blue painter's tape. I find the ease of use and the application worth the cost. When I used to print objects for customers and clients, I found the trickiest part was getting that first layer down, and having worked with blue painter's tape now for quite a while, it just gives me confidence to know that when I do get to set a print or have something going, that I'll get it right. If anything, the blue painter's tape is just something that I've become used to. Like any tool, you sort of build, I guess, a kind of relationship with it, and blue painter's tape is like that for me. So that is my 3 tools for my 3D printing survival kit, and I see this video as an addition to Tom's one, so I'll link that in the description and probably in a card, so I'll point in both corners in case it pops up there. There are way more tools that you must have, but Tom, as I said, does a great job over at the Enthusiasm project of covering some of those tools that I haven't covered here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and videos like this one, please consider subscribing. It helps heaps, and it's super encouraging and super helpful. I will see you in the next one, but please remember, be kind always.